Hello everyone, in today's video what I'm gonna do is basically show you how you can quickly adjust your data, adjust your rows and columns in Excel real quick, okay, with just couple of shortcuts. So what I'm gonna do is just select my data set, which is Control A, and as you can see it has completely selected my data. And now what I'm gonna do is basically use shortcut, which is Alt, and then I'm gonna click H, and then I'm gonna click O, and now I'm gonna do auto fit column width, which is I. So now as you can see with just this shortcut my column has been automatically right. And now what I'm gonna do is for the rows, right? So again, Alt H O and A, which is for auto fit height. Again, my rows is automatically adjusted, right? And now I want to add borders to it, to my data set basically. So again, the same drill, which is Alt H, and I'm gonna click B, and then I want all borders, which is A. So as you can see, all my data not only is adjusted, but I have also add borders to it. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.